Good morning. I, Sanjeev Kumar, today present second part of Life Changers, Dreamers and Doers, edited by Robert H. Schiller. When God comes into your mind, He will give you ideas that will enable you to develop your possibilities to their fullest potential. Remember this story. Your problem is not a banyan tree. On my first trip to Thailand, I went on an elephant hunt in the jungle. The wild elephants come thundering out of the jungle into an arena, and a massive log gate is dropped to close off the exit. Once the elephant is made captive, the men tie the end of a log chain around the elephant's foot. The other end is tied to a huge banyan tree. The great elephant will pull with all its strength, but it can't budge the banyan tree. Finally, after struggling for days and weeks, the elephant will barely lift its ponderous foot, and when it feels the chain just being to become taut, it drops its foot heavily to the ground because it knows further struggle is useless. The elephant surrenders to the chain. At this point, the hunters know the elephant is really trapped forever. For when they take the elephant and chain it to a little iron stake by a circus tent, the elephant never attempts to pull away because it still thinks it is chained to a banyan tree. Remember, your problem is not a banyan tree, it is a stake. I will never forget my father saying, "You can never count up the might have beens, or you will be defeated. Never look at what you have lost, look at what you have left." The secret of success is not to sit in an expensive leather chair in a plush office and dream up your dreams. The secret of success is to find the need and feel it, to find a heart and heal it, to find somebody with a problem and offer to help solve the problem. Wisdom begins with humility. Make the ending glorious. When I was a little boy, I studied piano, and my mother was my teacher. When it came time for a recital, my mother made me go over the conclusion again and again. I had to get it down perfect. Keep on practicing the conclusion, Bob. Learn those last measures. She used to say, "Look, Bob, you can make a mistake in the beginning, or you can make a mistake in the middle. The people will forget it if you make the ending glorious. Trace your fear, erase your fear." Look at what you have left. Don't look at what you have lost. Look at your good times. Don't look at your bad times. Selfishness turns life into a burden. Unselfishness turns burdens into life. According to Viktor Frankl, there is one thing you can never take from me, and that is my freedom to choose how I will react to whatever you do to me. If you choose to react positively, not negatively, to the hurts of life, you can turn your scars into stars. Thank you. Remaining part in next episode. Last part in description box.